Hello to whoever's watching this. This is a quick video showing you what I'm having problems with here with the Microsoft Minecraft Education Edition on our network. Is that whenever we start to run the program, and we're going to need this feature, is that we have libraries that should be accessible to us. They were available to us in December, but something changed once we came back and they were no longer accessible. Is that when we come in here, there should be a library of different resources that we can go through and access to get these various courses. For example, I click on just general lessons, say I want to deploy this to multiple teachers. This is a great overview. They got everything here. Then when we come over here to start it, we can't access the actual course. It's being blocked somehow. I have a feeling it's something to do with the network. But anyhow, that's the problem that we're having right now. So we can't get to any of these additional tutorials, which have tons and tons and tons of resources that we can use to help build these various lessons. I come over here to lessons, find computer science. Want to start one of these tutorials that we can use in the classrooms. We can't access that material. So if you could help us figure out a way to be able to get access to all these things, would be very, very helpful, and we'd be greatly appreciative. So thanks for all your time. If you have any questions for me, let me know. I'm trying to think if there's anything else on here. Again, this is running off the Microsoft Minecraft application that's running off the desktop. It does go out into the cloud to access these tools because it's kind of like an evergreen content system where you can get this material as it's updated. You actually can create your own content. Once it's approved by Microsoft, they'll put it out there so other people can access it too. So everything's coming from the cloud. That's pretty much all I can think about what's going on right now. Other than that, we can start the program fine. We come over here, start new world. The program starts up just fine. Even though I don't really know much about Minecraft, but it does work to that capacity, and that the actual program, allows you to come in and operate the, normal kind of features and stuff. So anyhow, that's our dilemma, and if you could help us out with that, we'd be greatly appreciative. Thank you very much.